Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to reduce failed payments with account updater in Braintree. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to reduce failed payments with Braintree's account updater, you need to simply enable feature in your Braintree control panel. So you need to go and get logged in into your Braintree. So once you're logged in into your Braintree account, now through Braintree's control panel, you can automatically update and store new card details, preventing declines from expired or lost cards. So for best results, you can combine this with the automatically retry logic, network tokenization, and the next day card refresh feature to handle specific decline codes like expired cards or invalid expiration dates. So by using account updater to reduce payment failures, or combining account updater with other Braintree features, or even complementary strategies for reducing failures, you can reduce failed payments with account updater in Braintree. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.